Birds. Aves, also known as avian dinosaurs, are a group of endothermic vertebrates characterized by feathers, toothless beak jaws, the laying of hard-shelled eggs, a high metabolic rate, a four-chambered heart, and a lightweight but strong skeleton. Birds live worldwide and range in size from the 5 centimeters 2 in bee hummingbird to the 2.75 meters 9 feet ostrich. They rank as the class of tetrapods with the most living species, at approximately 10,000, with more than half of these being passerines, sometimes known as perching birds or, less accurately, as songbirds. The fossil record indicates that birds are the last surviving group of dinosaurs, having evolved from feathered ancestors within the theropod group of saurischian dinosaurs. True birds first appeared during the Cretaceous period, around 100 million years ago. DNA-based evidence finds that birds diversified dramatically around the time of the Cretaceous Paleogene extinction event that killed off all other dinosaurs. Birds, especially those in the southern continents, survived this event and then migrated to other parts of the world while diversifying during periods of global cooling. Primitive bird-like dinosaurs that lie outside class Aves proper, in the broader group Avialae, have been found dating back to the mid-Jurassic period. Many of these early, stem birds, such as Archaeopteryx, were not yet capable of fully powered flight, and many retained primitive characteristics like toothy jaws in place of beaks, and long bony tails. Birds have wings which are more or less developed depending on the species. The only known groups without wings are the extinct moas and elephant birds. Wings, which evolved from forelimbs, gave birds the ability to fly, although further speciation has led to the loss of flight in flightless birds. The digestive and respiratory systems of birds are also uniquely adapted for flight. Some bird species of aquatic environments, particularly the aforementioned flightless penguins, and also members of the duck family, have further evolved for swimming. Birds, specifically Darwin's finches, played an important part in the inception of Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection. Some birds, especially corvids and parrots, are among the most intelligent animals. Several bird species make and use tools, and many social species. Many species annually migrate great distances. Birds are social, communicating with visual signals, calls, and bird songs, and participating in such. The vast majority of bird species are socially monogamous, referring to social living arrangement distinct from genetic monogamy, usually for one breeding season at a time, sometimes for years, but rarely for life. Other species have breeding systems that are polygynous, arrangement of one male with many females, or, rarely, polyandrous, arrangement of one female with many males. Birds produce offspring by laying eggs which are fertilized through sexual reproduction. They are usually laid in a nest and incubated by the parents. Most birds have an extended period of parental care after hatching. Some birds, such as hens, lay eggs even when not fertilized, though unfertilized eggs do not produce offspring. Many species of birds are economically important. Domesticated and undomesticated birds, poultry and game, are important sources of eggs, meat, and feathers. Songbirds, parrots, and other species are popular as pets. Guano, bird excrement, is harvested for use as a fertilizer. Birds prominently figure throughout human culture. About 120 to 130 species have become extinct due to human activity since the 17th century, and hundreds more before then. Human activity threatens about 1,200 bird species with extinction, though efforts are underway to protect them. Recreational bird watching is an important part of the ecotourism industry.